Today I'll tell you how you can deal with stress and anxiety. Hello everyone, my name is Durgesh Singh. I'm a memory expert, brain trainer and an entrepreneur. This YouTube channel is based on growth mindset, self-improvement and building right habit for your business, career, relationship, finance and understanding about different aspects of your life. So if you want to learn more about growth mindset in different aspects of your life, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video. Stress and anxiety are getting very popular these days because more and more people are getting into this cycle of stress and anxiety. And I've also heard a lot of so-called expert and micro-influencer on social media advising people that stress and anxiety are very normal, so it's okay. But the fact is, it's not. Okay, it is not. Stress and anxiety are real, yes, because they exist, but they are not normal. Peace, happiness, love, these are real and normal. Because they're normal, you keep them in their life. Stress and anxiety are not normal, so you solve them and remove it from your life. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to get in your mind is stress and anxiety are real but not normal. You solve them and remove it from your life. Okay. Now, especially in this COVID-19 time, and a lot of people are asking me, and I get a lot to hear that stress and anxiety are taking over them. Now, I want to bring your attention to a fact that most of you are like this regardless of any situation. Even when the situation were normal, you were like this. You were either stressed because of your boss, worried about your kids, or irritated because of your colleague or friends. Okay, so you are always like this in most of the situation. Not all, but most of you. Okay, so what is the solution? Okay, let's talk about the solution. See, right now I told you that most people are like this regardless of any situation. Okay, so the situation is not to be blamed. The problem is inside you. Okay, the one who is grateful is always grateful regardless of any situation. So the first thing that you can do if you are one of this person is meditation. Meditation is amazing, one of the most amazing things that we human have. Okay, it's I can make hundreds of videos on meditation, its benefit. For now, what you can understand is when you are meditating, you are in a theta state. It's a state of brain. Okay, and when you are in that state, your mind is very calm. You cannot be angry, you cannot be stressed, anxiety cannot take over you. Okay, in that state you can only and only be calm and at peace. So practice meditation. Also, when you practice meditation, what you're doing is basically you're trying to basically you're trying to observe your thoughts. You're being more aware. So next time when you're dealing with life situation and you find that your mind is going into negative thoughts, you can actually tell your mind to shift your thoughts from negative thing to positive thing. And meditation has a lot of benefits. Okay, so yes, the first thing that you can do to reduce stress and anxiety is to meditate. Okay, do meditation. Now the second thing, see, as I told you, these emotions, okay, stress, anxiety, happiness, love, peaceful, calmness, all this exists inside you. Everything is inside you. So the problem is inside. Okay, now anything that's happening outside, just act as a trigger. Okay, I'll repeat that. Anything that's happening outside, just act as a trigger to release the problem, to release the negative emotion from inside. Now what I want you to understand is the problem is inside you. Whenever you feel happiness, you feel it inside, right? You don't feel it outside. It's not like air or water where you put your hand out and feel the air, right? When you feel happy or when you feel anxious or when you feel stressed, you feel it inside. So the emotion is inside. Anything happening outside is just a trigger. Now if the emotions are inside, that's a good thing because you get to choose them. Yes, you heard me right. Every single time you get to choose your emotions. What I'm saying is, even right now you get to choose whether you want to be stressed, at anxiety, or you want to be you want to be happy, you want to be feel love, you want to be at peace. You can choose them because the emotions are inside you. But how do you do that? Let me explain you how. See, suppose you are listening to songs, okay, and suddenly an old song comes up, okay, and the song is on play, and you hear that song and lot of past memory comes into your mind, okay, because the song has lot of memory, so you just start recalling all those memory comes in your mind, okay. Now what happens from being positive, you know, you are happy when you are listening songs, and then suddenly you become sad because the song has lot of old memories. Now see, if it can happen from being positive to being negative, the reverse is also true. You can go from being negative to being positive, but how do you do that? By shifting your thoughts, by deliberately choosing to be grateful. Yes, start practicing gratitude. Start being grateful for the things that you have. Now I know most of you will be like, Durgesh, my life is so miserable, I have nothing to be grateful for. But no, you always have a lot to be grateful for. For example, if you have a water to drink, okay, just be grateful for that, okay. Literally tell yourself in your mind that I am grateful that I have water to drink. You have a bed to sleep, just tell yourself I am grateful that I have a bed to sleep. If you have a house to live, right, just tell yourself I have a house to live. Even if it's rented, even if it's not your own house, at least you have it. Remember, there are a lot of people who don't have that, okay. And always remember, even if there's something, you know, even if there's any situation or something that goes wrong, always remember that even worst could have happened, but no, only a little wrong or little, you know, damage has happened. So at least be grateful for that. Always be grateful. When you start practicing this, once it will become a habit for you, you will actually become a grateful person who is always grateful, who always, you know, think about positive stuff, okay. Also, it has been found that if you are practicing gratitude, if you are practicing gratefulness, your mind cannot be angry, stressed or at anxiety at the same moment, okay. At the same time, your mind cannot be stressed or angry, okay. So start practicing gratitude. The third thing that you can do is box breathing. Yes, also known as square breathing. Box breathing or square breathing is one of the most effective tools that will literally reduce your stress and anxiety immediately, okay. Let me explain what it is. First, we choose an interval, okay. Let's say count of 5 or count of 4 or count of 3, whatever you like, you choose that, okay. Then you breathe in for that count. Suppose we are doing it for 4 count, okay. So you breathe in for 4 count and then hold your breath for 4 count, breathe out for 4 count and then breathe and then hold your breath again for 4 count, okay. This is known as box or square breathing. Let's do it together. At the count of 3 we will start, okay. So 1 2 3, okay. Now hold your breath. Now release your breath. Now hold your breath. Now breathe again. Now breathe, hold your breath. Now breathe out. Now hold your breath. Now breathe again. Okay, this is called box breathing, also known as square breathing. Doing this for at least minimum of 7 times is more than enough. It will literally, you know, reduce your stress and anxiety immediately. Or what you can do is breathe in deep, take a deep breath in and release it from your mouth. While you do this, close your eyes and while breathing out, tell yourself that all negativity is getting removed from me and my body. Let's do it together. Breathe in and breathe out. While breathing out, say that all the negativity and stress are getting removed from me and my body. Breathing, breathe out, okay. Doing this for 6 to 7 times is, as I said, is more than enough, okay. It will literally reduce your stress and anxiety, okay, and also bring you more aware, okay, make you more aware, okay. Now let's talk about the fourth step. Anxiety and stress has symptoms like faster heartbeat, rapid breathing and a little sweat in palm, right. But these are also the symptoms of excitement, okay. So what I want you to do is whenever you feel anxious, okay, whenever you feel anxious, what you can do is just tell yourself that I'm excited, okay, and give yourself some reasons for it. For example, you are going to give an exam, okay, or an interview and you're really anxious that what will happen. So what you can do is, see, just tell yourself that I'm excited. I'm excited, and give some reason like I know I'll crack this, I've studied properly, I'll get that job, the God is with me. Just give some just give some reasons to yourself, okay, and just keep on saying yourself, I'm excited. This one thing will literally shift all your thought process, and it will act like a miracle. Okay, so just tell yourself, I'm excited. Okay, so that's the first thing. And the fifth thing that you can do is, see, most of you are worried, most of you are get stressed and anxious because you're thinking too much about the outcome. Suppose you are starting a new business, okay, so you start thinking, what will happen if I fail, what will happen if it does not work out, okay, what will happen to my investment, or you are thinking all negative about this outcome. Listen to this. What I want you to do is start focusing on your thoughts. What are you thinking about, okay, and see, are those thoughts something that you cannot control? For example, if you fire a bullet, you cannot change the direction of the bullet after you fire it, right? So stop thinking about this things that you cannot control, okay. Remember, what you have to do is start thinking about the positive stuff. Tell yourself all the positive things that is possible, okay. Write down all the positive things, all the positive outcome that will happen if you do that work, for you, for the people around you, and for everybody, okay, in terms of emotion, in terms of if it's business, in terms of finance, in terms of career. Write every kind of positive things that it will give you, okay. Why I'm telling you to do this is because your brain is a super mechanism. If you tell your brain why something is not possible, it will find all the reasons and give you all the reasons why it's not possible. But if you tell your brain what are the benefits of it and why it's possible, it will give you all the reasons why it's possible. So the fifth thing that I want you to do is fill your brain with positive stuffs, okay. Just tell yourself why things are possible, okay, what are the benefits that you will get and why you should do it, okay. So do all that thing. Now these are the 5 things that I told you. First, meditation. Second, practice gratitude. Third is box breathing. Fourth, just tell yourself, I'm excited. Fifth is to be more positive, just fill yourself with more positive thoughts and tell yourself why things are possible, okay. So these are the 5 things that will help you to reduce your stress and anxiety. If you like that video, please press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you don't miss the next video, because I always create content regarding growth mindset which will help you to be a better version of yourself and create a better life for yourself. So please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon, okay. Thank you so much and stay connected.